Hey traders, today we're comparing Tradovate versus Ninjatrader, two powerful platforms for futures trading. If you're just getting into the markets or looking to upgrade your setup, this breakdown is for you. So now let's go over what each platform offers, the pros and cons, and which one might be a better fit. So now let's start with Tradovate. So Tradovate is a modern cloud-based trading platform built specifically for futures. It works on desktop, web, and mobile with a clean interface that feels fresh and fast. Pros: commission-free pricing plans, cloud-based, so no downloads needed. Works across all devices, easy to use interface, great for beginners, integrates with TradingView. Cons: limited to futures, no stocks, options, etc. Advanced features being monthly fees, lacks deep historical data for strategy testing, but this is best for beginners and swing traders who want a simplicity and speed in a modern interface. Okay, next we've got Ninjatrader. It's known for its advanced charting, custom indicators, and algo trading tools. It's a desktop first platform designed for serious futures and forex traders. Pros: powerful custom indicators and strategy tools, great for scalping and high frequency trading. One time lifetime license option, advanced charting and backtesting. Cons: now it is only a desktop option only, so mobile app is limited. Steeper learning curve, and you pay for many premium features. Now, this is best for active day traders and technical analysts who want full control and advanced features. Okay, so final verdict, which one is better? So choose Tradovate if you want a simple, flexible, cloud-based experience. This is great for newer traders or those who value mobility, or go with Ninjatrader if you're an experienced trader who needs deep analysts, backtesting, and algo support. Both are strong choices just depending on your trading style and what tool you need.